Hey guys, welcome everyone.
Hello everyone.
So welcome to Voxxed Days Singapore 2019. Thanks a lot for coming. We're super happy to have you for these 2 days of sessions. We're going to start right away just with a little bit of description of what we have for these 2 days. So yeah, remember last year? I mean, who was there last year? Okay. So last year we said that 2019 would be a 2-day event, which was a bit like a challenge for us. First time we were doing it. Actually, we are glad it happened. We have 60 speakers. We have a lot happening.
So we are having 4 keynotes and 2 workshops happening, guys. They're going to be 1 technical workshop and 1 agile workshop. So starting soon.
And we're super happy to have 500 participants today. Maybe it doesn't exactly show in the room yet. Some people haven't come yet, but it will be super awesome.
Okay, you are all sitting right now, so we're gonna do a short energizer, right? So it's a very simple game. The idea is I'm gonna ask you a few questions. If your answer is yes, you stand up. Either you stay on your chair. So the first question I'm gonna ask you is, did you wake up with a good mood today? Awesome! Second question. Did you travel more than 1 hour to join us today? Awesome! Did you travel from overseas to join us today? I think we need a round of applause for them. Do you speak more than 4 languages? We have one on the right. Did you participate the last 2 editions?
We don't have any.
Round of applause, please. Is it your first Voxxed Days Singapore?
Wow.
Woohoo! Technical question. Did you write a piece of code this week? Second question for you, guys. Have you ever committed your code a Friday night? Next question. Do you know more than 50 people in the room? Are we 50? Yes, that's good. When you look for agility on the web, you know which animals come first? A dog, right! You learned something. Leadership is a clear concept for you. You are keen on experimenting the beanbags that you will find in the reinventing room. All right, 2 last questions. Are you ready to unlearn, experiment, and learn during the 2 days? Last but not least, can you all stand up and clap your hands?
Thank you. So that's what we needed to thank our sponsors. 2 reasons to thank our sponsors. The first one, there's the financial aspect we cannot deny. So a ticket today is around $30+ Without our sponsors, we would have to make you pay more than $800 to have the exact same conference. So thank you really to all our sponsors. The second aspect for our sponsor is that we are a bit selective on who we want to partner with, and they're also quite selective on who they want to partner with. But first, they all have a major culture and contribution towards open source. And this is really what we want to emphasize on this lineup. So we'll start with the first sponsor, our diamond sponsor, Red Hat. Big round of applause, and please welcome Bruno Georges. So Red Hat is our partner since the very beginning, and thank you very much. We have a very special relationship. Thank you. Next round of sponsors. It's about platinum sponsor. I would like to welcome Confluent with Tim. Thank you, Tim. And Zenica with Arnaud. Please join us. Thank you very much. So Confluent coming for the first time at Voxxed Days Singapore, and Zenica being there also from the very beginning. So thank you, both of you. Yes. And last but not least, our gold sponsors. So we'll name them. Please come right away on stage. Palo IT, Crédit Agricole CIB, Azulcast, Microsoft, Google, and ThoughtWorks. Thank you. Thank you. So we are very proud of this lineup. It's quite exceptional. That's the first time we have so many sponsors, a lot of new ones. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Official photo. Yeah.
So you're Spencer, right? Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yes. Just a quick note. We really want to thank you, all our Muslim participants who actually made a gesture to come for Voxxed Days, even though right now it's Ramadan. If you're fasting today, please let us know if you would like to have like a dinner prepared, and we can prepare it for you and give it to you tonight. Thank you. So reach out to one of our organizers if you need one.
Okay. Hello everyone. How many of you have downloaded the Voxxed Days app? Please raise your hands. Quite a few. Okay. So guys, please download the Devox app as of now, and please follow the steps. It's available on both iOS as well as the Android Play Store. You can use the, and you have to choose the Devox app, and over there choose Voxxed Days Singapore. This basically contains all the information about today's program as well as tomorrow's program. So just download and go ahead.
Yeah. And please make sure you have the name correct, Devox, D-E-V-O-X-X. That's our parent conference, okay? So you can download this app. Thank you. Just a quick apology. You know, we printed our program a couple of weeks ago. There was a couple of changes. So your program on the mobile app is perfect. There is hopefully no issues on it. But just on the printed program, we made a small mistake, okay? So if you're going to room 3 this morning, or for the quickies, actually the talk from Arun is architecting well-rounded and evolvable data platforms, and Daniel is about functional programming, okay? So if you're in doubt, just check the mobile app and everything is correct inside. Thank you.
So guys, there are gonna be 2 workshops today. So the workshop room is gonna be like, it's like behind you, like you go ahead, outside and then take a left. Our organizers and the volunteers will be there to assist you in going towards the workshop room. By the way, the technical workshop is sold out, and probably you know, today this thing is done. On the other one, the agile workshop, yes, it's going on. So yeah, just figure out the workshop room and we'll be there to assist you.
Thank you. And also, like, actually, there is still some seats available for the workshop in the afternoon. Michael Bertrand and Laurent River. It seems quite a few people in the room who are not sure what is leadership. Okay, so if you want to know more about leadership, that's the workshop for you. Okay, so no need to register beforehand. Just go to the workshop room over there and just show up, and you'll be part of the workshop today at 1:30 p.m.
So, You know, to be a speaker in a conference is kind of an investment. Feedback is key, I mean that you need to get feedback in order to learn and maybe improve or adapt a bit the way you do your talk. So an invitation is really, in each and every room, you will have like a QR code, like visual management, where you can scan. It will help you to go on a Google form where you will select the talk you have been following and you can share your feedback. So this QR code is for this morning. We'll update that everywhere in each room. The idea is for you really to share feedback with the speakers. Are you all okay with that? Or are you sleeping right now?
Thank you, Michael. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sylvain. I'm the lead for the Reinventing the Way We Work track. I'm also a coach, and I'm very, very excited because this year we've decided to bring coaching to Voxxed Days. The reason is, Voxxed Days is much, much more than, a tech conference. It's an experience, so every year we try to, create more opportunities for you to grow, to learn, to connect. And we thought that, hey, coaching probably is a great platform for that. So we've brought together a team of coaches. So these guys, work with MNCs, startup companies, senior leaders, execs, and they have accepted to offer free coaching sessions to you guys. So I think they deserve a big, big round of applause. Thank you. So if you want to experience coaching, just flash this QR code and you'll see everywhere, you'll see like A4 sheets where you can flash the QR code. Just a few words about coaching. Coaching is really, it's an experience, it's a partnership with your coach. It's a dance, and basically the coach asks questions, and it's a thought-provoking process, a creative process that will help you unlock your potential, identify new opportunities, resolve issues, get clarity on things that are blocking you. It's not a problem-solving session. So coaching is not like, oh, I have an issue, and the coach, will give you answers. The coach will ask you questions, and the process will unfold. So be open, be curious. We still have many of you have already booked their slots, but we still have a few slots left. So it's an amazing opportunity. For those of you who have booked their slots, the coaching room, there is some signage, but the coaching room is, at the back of the hallway. So there is a meeting point. Wait for your coach there, and the coach will pick you up, 5 minutes before the beginning of your session. Thank you.
Well, there is more, and listen to this carefully. You have a chance to win a very geeky prize this conference. You could win a DJI Tello drone. How? All you have to do is enjoy yourself, meet people, take a picture, share the pictures on one of the social media platforms that you see, I guess Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Just tag it with Voxxed Days Singapore. The most innovative and fun-filled photo gets the prize. So show your geekiness and geek self.
Okay, last but not the least, you guys stand a chance to win author-signed books, as well as 8 free tickets for the next Voxxed Days 2020. The lucky draw winners would be announced tomorrow, so you better stick around, okay?
And last thing, so for the ones who were here last year, we had an amazing closing keynote from Ajay Gore from Gojek, and he actually accepted to come again this year to do our opening, to actually have the next part of the story. Thanks a lot, Ajay, for coming.